Hi friends, in today's session we are going to see how to download PuTTY. Some people will call it as PuTTY also. So you can call according to your convenience, either PuTTY or PuTTY. So what is the basic use of PuTTY? So if you want to connect to your Linux system or Linux servers or Unix servers, so from your Windows machine, so how you will able to connect? So by using PuTTY, we need to connect to your remote Linux systems. So that is a basic use of using PuTTY from your Windows environment. So now how to download PuTTY? So for that, go to Google, download PuTTY. So select the first option. So this one I'm going to select and click it here. So according to your operating system, so I'm having 64-bit operating system. So let me download this. So now it's downloading. So download is completed. So now run. So now it's installing this PuTTY software into my system. So this is a default path. So where it is going to install? So here it's going to install. If you want to change the path, yes, you can change, but by clicking change path, means by clicking change you can change the path, but it's preferable to use the default path. So now next, install. So we are installing PuTTY 0.74 release and 64-bit operating system. It means it will support 64-bit operating system. So if you are having 32-bit, so please install this one. So say yes. So finish. I don't want to this. Yes. Now, so we have installed. So first we have downloaded and we have installed. Now I am using Windows 7 operating system. So go to here. PuTTY. So if we install PuTTY, so it will install PuTTY as well as PuTTY. So what is our use of PuTTY? I will explain when we are working with AWS. So now PuTTY. So this is the UI of your PuTTY. So this is a user interface from which you can interact to your remote systems. So it might be Linux or so Linux environment systems. So assume this is your Linux machine. Linux machine. So how to connect with this? So from your Windows environment. So, so from Windows environment. So here you need to have that host name of your Linux system. So assume it's a something 10.20.255.30. So here you need to give the host name or IP address of that remote system, and after that you need to come to here. So if you want to increase the font size, yes, go to here. You can change the font size, and after that, if you have any securities are there, then go to SSH and authentication, load the authentication and open. Then you will able to connect to that remote Linux system. So this is a way your PuTTY works. So I hope this is helpful. Yeah, thank you.